friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cooler Master's MasterBox 520 Mesh Blackout Edition. So friend, Cooler Master has announced the availability of the MasterBox 520 Mesh Blackout Edition, and friend, the middle tower PC case features a high airflow design and is a variation of previously released MasterBox 520 SAKURA Edition. The black color scheme is consistent both inside and outside the case, and the MasterBox 520 Mesh Blackout Edition is equipped with 3 black 120mm SickleFlow fans at the front and 1 black 120mm master fans light at the rear, totaling 4 cooling fans, all without LED illumination. And the main specification of the MasterBox 520 Mesh Blackout Edition include two 3.5-inch dry-base, three 2.5-inch dry-base, and the front cooling support for either 3 120mm or 2 140mm fans, top cooling support for either 3 120mm or 2 140mm fans, rear cooling support for 1 120mm fan, and compatibility with 280mm or 360mm radiator at the top and front, 280mm and 360mm radiator at the front, and 120mm radiator at the rear and 120mm radiator at the rear. And the left side panel features tempered glass, while the top panel has the removable feature for easy cable routing, fan and radiator installation. And front, the case offers 7 expansion slots, support graphics card up to 410mm in length, CPU cooler of up to 155mm in height, and power supply unit up to 200mm in depth. And the form factor support E-ATX, SSI-CEB, ATX and MicroATX and Mini-ITX. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the market estimated price is $99. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.